Tashidelic horse signs. Let's check your May month's energy. What are you attracting in the May month? Okay, so for the May month, I think you have some confusion to deal with. Okay, you have to deal with, or you are protecting something like your emotion, or you are not able to make decision to take action, or there's something you are holding back. Okay, you have to ask yourself, what are you holding? You have to make a decision, but you are not making it. You are just holding back, and you have to come out from this situation. Okay, there's a situation, there's something in your mind, in your heart, that pain, something is there in your heart. Okay, you have to let it go, you have to come out, you have to stand up for yourself. Okay, so that kind of energy is coming for you around the starting of the month, or maybe it's going through right now, and around the mid of the month. Now you have lots of options to choose. Okay, this can be about your relationship or in a career path. You have lots of different options, and you have to choose the best one. And you are choosing the best one. I think that's why you are looking very positive, happy, peaceful with yourself, and you're emotionally very satisfied with whatever or wherever you are in the mid of the month. Okay, very positive energy or good news are coming to you around the mid of the May month. Okay, and around the end of the May month, now you're working very hard to achieve that goal, achieve that financial freedom, achieve that something is there that you are working very hard. Okay, so, and you are standing up for yourself. You are becoming very confident person and standing up for your goals, or you are creating some boundaries in your relationships, and you're standing up for yourself, or somebody's standing up for you, like they are being very supportive to you around the end of the month, because you're working very hard and you're showing the result, and people, or maybe your parents, your people, your loved ones are going to be very happy with your result, and now they are there to support you. Okay, you are getting lots of support. Okay, that's it. I hope this reading resonated with you. Claim this positive energy in the comment section, and I'll see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching.